This next rule, the OR rule, allows you to choose between two or more different words in what is essentially a short list of words. We use this with the pipe symbol. I'm going to make a command with the pipe symbol now. Talon wake. Focus notepad. Say yes. Space. Pipe. Space. Say no. Space. Say is the answer. Space. Colon. Space. Insert quotes. Delete. Inside quotes. Sentence, thank you for choosing either yes or no. Period. Space. Go right. Enter. Enter. Talon sleep. This command should now trigger when I say either yes is the answer or when I say no is the answer. The choice in this command is the yes or no. Let's save this and test it. Talon wake. Control sun. Talon sleep. It's saved, and now I am going to test it. Talon wake. Yes is the answer. No is the answer. Talon sleep. And both of those worked. Time to clean up. Talon wake. Clear line. Clear line. Talon sleep.